Hi, and welcome to Intersoft Solutions video tutorial. My name is Nicholas Lee. In this video, I will explain to you how to prepare your Mac for iOS development. Before you continue, it is important that you have properly installed Xamarin and Mobile Studio. You can find a video on how to install Mobile Studio for Mac in a separate video. To develop iOS applications, you can either build and debug directly to an iOS device, or you can use the iOS simulator. However, iOS simulator has certain limitations. You can find a complete list of iOS simulator on the Apple's iOS developer website. In this video, we'll create a Crosslight powered solution and then run the iOS project onto the simulator. Since you have installed Xamarin platforms as well as Mobile Studio, all you need to do next is just install Xcode from the Mac App Store for free. You will need Xcode to run the iOS simulator as well as editing the zip files. The zip files are the interface definition files you would use in an iOS application, and it can only be edited using Xcode. Currently, Mobile Studio does not support creation of Crosslight projects on the Mac OS. It is encouraged that you run Parallels Desktop and install a copy of Windows 8 or above. This way, you can create Crosslight-enabled projects using Visual Studio and share the same solution as well as the project files directly to a shared folder in the Mac. You can find a separate video on how to install Mobile Studio on Windows in our channel. I'm currently running a Parallels desktop with 64-bit Windows 8.1 Enterprise installed with Visual Studio 2012 Ultimate Edition Update 3 with Mobile Studio installed. I'm going to create a new Crosslight project and share them onto my Mac environment. I'm going to open the same solution created previously using Visual Studio with Xamarin Studio on Mac. Set the iOS project as Startup Project, then hit Run. Now, you have seen how to build and debug Crosslight powered apps using the iOS simulator. You can also choose to build and debug your apps directly to an iOS device. Xamarin outlines this clearly in their documentation site. You will need to authorize and set up your device provisioning profile for iOS development. In this video, I've shown you how to configure your Mac for iOS development. In the next video, I will explain to you more about Crosslight architecture, how Crosslight relates to Xamarin platforms, as well as how to use the Crosslight project wizard and more in the Getting Started with Crosslight video. If you need more information, drop us a mail at technical@intersoftpt.com. You can find discussions related to Crosslight and Mobile Studio in our forums at intersoftpt.com/community/crosslight. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.